Okay, so we have converting the polar equation to rectangular. We have a secant of theta is equal to 4. So let's go ahead and convert this one to a rectangular equation. So in order to begin this one, there's a couple different ways to do this, but I'm just going to show you one way, which is kind of fast and easy. So we have a secant of theta equals 4. So we can tackle this one by knowing that the trigonometric identity of tan squared of theta plus 1 is equal to secant squared of theta. So we can use this identity to solve this problem. So I'm assuming if you're watching this video, I'm assuming you already know this identity. So we're just gonna go ahead and do it. And if you don't, just look up some videos about trigonometric identities. And yeah, let's go from there. Yeah, I'm gonna make more trigonometry videos later on, but right now I'm gonna start with this one. So secant of theta is equal to 4. We have tan squared of theta plus 1 equals secant 2 of theta. So we need to turn secant of theta into secant squared of theta. So we go ahead and do that by squaring both sides. So secant of theta squared equals to 4 squared. That's a 4, by the way. So we square both sides. We have a secant squared theta is equal to 16. All right, so now we have that. So now we can substitute the secant squared theta for tan squared theta plus 1. Okay, so now we have tan squared theta plus 1 is equal to 16. So now we can go ahead and do a little bit of algebra. We can subtract the 1 from both sides to get tan squared theta is equal to 15. So now we gotta know that tan of theta is equal to y over x. So using this logic, we can go ahead and substitute y over x in here as y squared over x squared is equal to 15. All right, so we substitute this for that. All right, so now we can go ahead and multiply both sides by x squared. We have y squared is equal to 15x squared. And now we can go ahead and subtract 15x squared from both sides to get y squared minus 15x squared, right, is equal to 0. That's a square, by the way. So that's like one of the answers you can get for this conversion. So we have y squared minus 15x squared is equal to 0. That can be a rectangular equation for this. So yeah, that's one way of doing it. So yeah, that's it. All right.